Hi everyone, we're here in wet and windy Mandurah, Western Australia today, and no matter the weather, we're always out and about for sea trials and commissioning. Behind me here we have a 41 Randell Flybridge pleasure cruiser. Now this boat has recently had two brand new FPT NEF 400 marine engines installed in it by our friends at Mariner Diesel here in Mandurah. These engines have been derated down to 330 horsepower to suit the driveline in this vessel. We're down here in this weather to give it a good run in this rough weather and see how she goes. Let me show you on board. We've just got back from sea trials, pulled straight back up here to the Mandurah Offshore Fishing Sailing Club. The NEF 400s have performed immaculately in these incredibly testing conditions out there today. We weren't able to throw the drone up out there because it was just too rough. As you can see, we're a bit all wet and damp, but the NEF 400s really stood the test. We're actually cruising at 2200 RPM, burning only 28 litres per hour per engine. That is incredibly fuel efficient. The NEF 400s are incredibly quiet and very smooth when we're cruising out, even in the roughest of conditions with the boat moving everywhere. The vessel's awaiting some further upgrades beyond the engines, and then as soon as those are done, we'll show you more and feature some more amazing videos on this vessel, get the drone in the air. Thanks very much for watching. We look forward to showing you this amazing repower of the Randell 41 again soon.